Hey everybody, I really hope you've been enjoying the work. I've loved doing these Pulgar work with the index tirando, the free stroke, and hopefully you're feeling much better about the movement of your thumb to do this, the movement of your wrist to do the thumb properly. This next one is a fill in Bulerias, por arriba, which means an E to F, mi to fa. Okay? If you don't know any of that stuff, make sure that you look at all the other material that I have, and if you can't find it, let me know, and I'm happy to send you links and all that stuff. I'm here for you, okay? So this is just a fill that goes in, and it's one compás, which again, all that stuff you should know. If you don't know this stuff, go back and look at previous material, please, okay? And yeah, so this is pretty slow for Bulerias. It's at 144 to start, okay? We'll get faster in a little bit here, okay? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am purposely playing that Bulerias ridiculously simply, okay? Just because I want you to focus on the actual fill. I don't want you to focus on what I'm doing. Like if I do like how I would normally play Bulerias, then you'll be asking me questions about the rhythm, and that's not the point of this. I want you to learn the fill, okay? So now I'm taking it up to 184, which is still, there's a lot faster Bulerias in this, okay? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's a really nice fill to have, and so you know, it's a great technique, gets people's attention, nice thing to put in between verses, you know, or even as a remate in a respiro. Okay, so it's super nice to do that stuff. So enjoy it. Let me know what questions you have. Make sure that if you don't know what these techniques are, you need to be looking at other older material. If you can't find it, get in touch with me and I can give you a link to it. You know, sometimes it's kind of hard to find in Patreon to look through all the material, so just let me know. I'm here for you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for studying with me and trusting me with your guitar playing, okay? Thanks. Enjoy the work. Have a great day. Bye-bye.